Hey guys, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a super chill nail vlog featuring Madam Glam. First of all, thank you so much Madam Glam for sending me some beautiful colors to play with. I'm starting off with a gel base on every other finger starting from the thumb. So I'm going to do the thumb, the middle, and the pinky. Then I'll be curing it under the light for 60 seconds. Next, I'm taking this really pretty shade called Your Joke. It's kind of like a muted pistachio greenish sage color. I'm terrible at describing, but I've been dreaming about this specific shade for the longest time. I'm putting this on the 3 fingers that we just painted the base on and curing it for 60 seconds. Madam Glam also sent me their LED lamp. It's super cute and portable and pink. Y'all know I love pink. After curing it, I noticed there was still a sticky residue, so I decided to wipe it off with some acetone. And also, I started to fill my acetone in this pump bottle thingy, and it has been a true life changer. Now I'm going back in for the remaining 2 fingers, painting a layer of base gel and curing it for 60 seconds. So I'm starting off with the pointed finger with this next shade since I am doing 2 accent nails. This might actually be my new favorite color. It's called Jasmine Tea. It is a semi-opaque gray with green flecks in it. I want to say it's duochrome, but it's not really, but it's also like super sparkly. I don't know, but I just really love the shade, and because it is semi-opaque, I had to build this one up. So I did about 3 thin layers to really bring out that gray tone. Madam Glam is a New York City based brand founded in 2014, offering over 1,800 different gels with over 800 shades. Isn't that insane? They even carry vegan gel polishes, HEMA-free, cruelty-free, 21-free, palm oil-free, and gluten-free gel polishes as well. For the ring finger, I'm going in with our 3rd shade here. It's called Alaskan Loving, and I'm sorry in advance if you hear any noise. It's my kitten, she's going crazy. But Alaskan Loving is one of their go-to favorites as well. It is a milky white shade with a semi-opaque finish. And to make sure I don't have any unevenness, I did take some time with each of my layers, making sure they are even and nice before curing. I've been seeing this spongy thingy everywhere on social media, and it's supposed to give you a really easy French tip. So yeah girl finally got her hands on one, and I'm going to try it out today as well. I am putting the shade Your Joke onto the sponge and proceeded to stamp it onto the white ring finger. I did have some trouble with this as the outline wasn't as crisp and even as I wanted it. I just grabbed a really thin brush to even out the lines. Not gonna lie, this probably took the most amount of time because I was trying to get it really even. Finally, I'm finishing off the nail with a few coats of Jasmine Tea, just because I think it really ties all the colors together, and also because I just really love the shade. Honestly, I low-key should have topped every nail with this color. I may or may not be obsessed with this shade. I really enjoy playing with these Madam Glam gels, and if you would like to try some for yourself, I will have a coupon code linked down below for you. Madam Glam actually has a VIP program that offers 50% off their polishes year-round, which is for those of you who are constantly changing up their nail colors like me, or you like to just explore some new colors. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.